A pile of wet sludge. It goes into this machine. But where does it go after? We followed the trail and found 4 answers. Clue 1. Fuel. Dried sludge has calorific value. It replaces coal and cement kilns and power plants. Clue 2. Fertilizer. Rich in phosphorus and nutrients. It feeds the soil and grows crops. Clue 3. Construction material. Mixed into bricks and blocks. It builds roads and homes. Clue 4. Energy. In advanced plants, it's incinerated to generate steam and electricity, even heating thousands of homes. The case is unfolding. The solution? SHINCCI low-temp technology, cutting costs by 40%. Built with heart. Engineered for the planet. Join our global partners. From waste to value, we make it happen. Stop wasting. Start winning. Contact us now for a quote.